take something that you want to do that I'm capable of doing.
Everything I think of is what I can capable of doing.
What?
Well, I can't think of anything that you're capable of doing.
What would you want to do?
I don't know, whatever you want to do. You look crazy right now. He's like, ah. What do you want to do?
I don't know what I want to do.
You know what you want to do. It's you.
If I knew, I would know.
Or you're just saying that you don't know so you don't have to pick.
No.
Yes.
No.
That's exactly what you would do.
What makes you think I would do such a thing?
Because you do that. What?
How come it's like pointing right at me?
Because I want to wait till the perfect picture, but somehow it's not a good one.
Ow. Finger.
It's like, ow, my finger. So what do you want to do?
I don't know, but I don't trust you.
See, my thumb's over here and all my fingers are here, so how can I take a picture? I'm just waiting for the perfect moment.
What kind of smell?
I don't know, an embarrassing one. That's hilarious.
See, that's the thing, the only pictures you ever get of me are like ones where I'm like, they're like weird ones. You don't take good ones.
I was like, you're like...
I swear, if you're videotaping.
Why am I not videotaping? There's no videos I have of you. But I do have that picture where I took the flash when you on my birthday. Yeah.
I'm like,
That was a good one though.
no, it wasn't.
Yeah, I even posted on Facebook.
I know. I untagged myself, I'm pretty sure.
And then I think I retagged you.
Well, you're nice.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you want to do? So what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Think of something.
Like what? Give me
No.
an example.
What?
It's something to do.
I don't know.
Oh, hey, look at the blanket that you're laying on.
I know, it's Red Sox.
I know. We bought that in Boston. It cost like $50. Why are you pointing at me? Why? Why do you do this to me?
He's like, why is it pointing at me?
Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure that you're recording.
What makes you say that?
Because it's pointing at me all the time.
Maybe you think that, but...
Maybe you're trying to trick me, or it's actually true, but...
No, I just like messing with you.
I know, that's a 50-50 chance.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
I'm looking.
I know. It's looking at you too. It's like, no.
No.
Flash. Oh, Mr. Flashy doesn't work.
That's for you.
Yeah. What's that do?
What does this foot do?
What are
you doing?
Tricking you.
I don't like it.
Look at it. Look at it.
I'm looking.